and just lots of people out, Mike Taylor. So is it one of those things where you better get out now while the getting's good, or what?
That's what I would say. I can feel the pressure. Now I'm hoping that it holds off at least for the rest of this evening. That is the first headline that we're talking about on what we're tracking. Stays quiet at least through this evening. I'm thinking if you have some fireworks festivities that you're planning on doing, or even just want to get out there and barbecue with the family, I'm thinking we'll be okay. But after that, closer to around 10 p.m., humidity is going to spike. You might actually feel that as we get later into the evening, and that leads to the potential of some strong storms, also some heavy rainfall, and a lot of these will be borderline severe. Wouldn't surprise me if we had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. Localized flooding is also a concern, only because of the spike in humidity, the moisture content. These storms can really wring out the atmosphere very efficiently, and that can cause some issues. And more storms will be possible Tuesday evening. There's a bigger question mark here, but it looks like we could get a second round, but we'll focus on the first round, which is already on radar. It's crossing over Lake Michigan right now. This is non-severe, at least the part that's approaching Grand Rapids, but it could intensify as it gets closer to us. So the Storm Prediction Center has us under a risk of severe weather. The green shows a level 1, which means severe weather is a possibility, but notice how it goes up to expect it to be scattered. And that's going to be from, say, Ann Arbor, Flat Rock, and point south towards Toledo. That's the yellow color you see there, where we can see those storms going into tomorrow morning and possibly tomorrow evening. Locally right now, it's just hot. We have the sunshine as well. It's relatively quiet across Metro Detroit. 87 degrees, the dew point's at 63, so that's the humidity starting to climb. We had a high temperature of 89 degrees so far after kicking things off this morning at 64. So over the next few hours, as we get closer towards sunset, any leftover fireworks shows, thinking we're going to be okay. Temperatures stay in the 80s, but overnight, that's when the rain moves in, scattered at first, but any one of these storms can produce some heavy rainfall that can cause some localized flooding, and it wouldn't surprise me if they're strong to severe as well. So tonight's forecast actually gives us the best shot of seeing this activity, and then once we get to around, say, 6 a.m., this first round moves out, and we could gear up and we could do it again tomorrow. So Tuesday looks quiet in the afternoon. The heat will still be there, the humidity will still be there, and we're tracking the potential for more storms even after that. Thinking flooding is going to be the greatest threat with that secondary round, but we're not going to rule out all modes of severe weather, so keep that in mind. Here's your 7-day forecast, though. It's active today, but we lose the threat of at least the severe weather as we get towards your Wednesday. Temperatures are going to be in the 80s. We'll have scattered storms possible Thursday and Friday, and we dry things up for the weekend.
Hey, all clear for the